Do you know what new and old credit repair business owners have in common? They are often afraid of this one thing, and that one thing is letting customers down. Now, it paralyzes people so much that they might turn away potential clients. My name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Now, before I get into how not to let your customers down, know that caring about customer satisfaction is good. Now, credit repair is a business of building and nurturing client relationships. If you care about helping people, you can really thrive. Clients will appreciate you and recommend you to other people. So about expectations. Meeting them isn't difficult when you set the right expectations. What gets credit repair company and people into trouble in general is when they overpromise as a sales technique. Now, to be honest, it's sleazy sales tactic where nobody wins. This is generally what happens. You promise the world and the client is dissatisfied with any result less than the world. So overpromising could look like saying you can remove items in record time or guaranteeing a score bump. You can show examples of being able to achieve various results for others, but guaranteeing you can do something, very slippery slope. Don't recommend it. The good news is this. It's easy to not slip down that slope. Now, I devote an entire module of the 30-Day Credit Repair Agency program to how you can become a credit repair pro in record time. And within that section, we discuss how to set expectations during the initial client audit. The purpose of this audit is to know exactly what you're working with and explain to the client up front how you can help. Now, make the expectations clear enough and you can avoid letting your client and people down in general. Also remember that the result people are looking for might not be perfection. I mean, clients may not be trying to get the highest possible credit score just for the fun of it. They may simply need to increase their credit score by just 25, 50, or 75 points to qualify for the mortgage that they want. So even small credit score increases can make a big difference in someone's financial plan. My point is this, don't overthink it. If you haven't started your business because of fear of not getting customer results or not meeting expectations, we can address this fear and put it to bed in the 30-Day CRA program. Talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.